of this 70-ton beast as a rail car built to fight snow. Pushed by locomotives, it uses massive wings and plows to clear the path. Instead of leaving piles nearby, it flings snow far away, keeping the tracks open during winter storms. Airport snow removal is heavy duty. This dual-engine beast clears runways fast by separating driving from blowing. Its 1,000-horsepower engine tosses 7,500 tons of snow hourly, hitting 25 miles per hour and throwing drifts 85 feet clear. No clogs, no banks, just open runways. Extreme winters like 2013 prove why heavy-duty rotary blowers are essential. These machines don't merely push snow, they gobble it up and blast it 150 feet away. Whether mounted on tractors or loaders, they keep roads clear when plows simply can't. This high-powered sweeper is snow's worst nightmare. After plows pass, it brushes and blows away leftover slush, clearing millions of square feet to keep runways safe. In snowy spots like Hokkaido, clearing drifts isn't just a chore, it's survival. This powerful attachment clears a 9-foot path, tossing 1,350 tons of snow hourly. With adjustable chutes, it easily dodges signs and obstacles. Winter tests your preparation. These machines thrive in long seasons, working tirelessly without the fuss. A single interface runs everything from blades to spreaders, while powerful engines clear highways fast. It is reliable gear that gets it done. Snow falls when freezing vapor turns into ice crystals. To keep runways clear, this beast of a machine uses 1,000 horsepower to throw 8,500 tons of snow per hour, clearing everything from light dustings to 6-foot drifts in one pass. This sci-fi-looking beast, the Biohack 1100S, uses 2,000 horsepower to devour 10,000 tons of snow hourly. With separate engines for driving and clearing, it never bogs down. Plus, its rotating body lets it pull a U-turn even in tight mountain passes. Winter mornings are rough when your windshield is a frozen mess. This electric scraper takes the struggle out of de-icing. Its spinning disc clears ice fast without the arm ache. It's small, easy to use, and gets you moving in minutes. Winter workplace accidents injure 40,000 Americans yearly, mostly from icy falls. This machine keeps workers safe on the ground by clearing 2 feet of snow off vehicles in seconds. Its smart scraper protects roofs while clearing trucks, making winter maintenance fast, safe, and easy. When the lifts stop, the real work begins. Prenoth X Camp focuses on those late-night sessions where builders transform snow into masterpieces. With flexible blades and custom controls, these machines feel like a natural extension of the operator, keeping long, cold shifts easy and precise. hydraulics, this machine uses direct power for better control. It hits 6 miles per hour and climbs steep hills easily. Even at 39,000 pounds, its rubber tracks stay planted, protecting soft ground while clearing brush or preparing sites without sinking. Mount Baker's record, 1,140 inches of snow, requires serious muscle. LaRue's 755 horsepower turbo diesel blower clears 5,000 tons per hour, throwing it 150 feet away to keep mountain highways open and safe.